think it is not. Just let me show that disclaimer at least when I don't know. Anyway, we'll continue our session. I
You
don't.
can fastly repeat that. That's fine.
Sorry?
You can that initial part. No, you can again repeat it. That's fine.
Yeah, yeah. But see, there's so much we have discussed, right? Like,
I think you can do a fast track.
uh, yeah. So this is, I'm not a SEBI registered person. The intention of my session is purely to spread awareness on stock market candle strategies and should be considered only for educational purposes. Any stocks discussed should not be considered as a recommendation for buy or sell. Explanations are only for concept illustration purposes. All the trades taken by individuals are at their risk. I will not be responsible for any of your losses or profits. Okay, so I will be explaining the shorting techniques here, which will be like candle logic, where and how to interpret the candles movement and how we can be benefited using that. So, for example, for now I am taking the net web as an example. First, I will go to monthly, and I have drawn the lines here to show the support and resistance. If you can see my screen, this is like first one. This is the second point where the all the candles are struggling to cross. And this is third one. This is the fourth one. When you see the weekly, you can see that this is
screen not visible.
God. Something I'm doing. Actually, I'm not used to these recordings, right? So it is having some problem now. So now what to do? Yeah. Disclaimer I have already mentioned in the recording. So now let me go with the NetWeb monthly chart. I have seen that as shown that um, lines. These are called support and resistance lines, which I have drawn. This, if you see this, this is something which is like the stock was struggling to cross this point first, and once means this is struggling to cross this point, so this will be called as resistance, and this will be called as support level. Down point will be called as support, top point will be called as resistance. Now when we move to weekly chart, again the same points we will connect. See this weekly, it is struggling a lot here, so that will be the resistance point. When moving up, this candle has moved without respecting that. That means it has got a lot of strength and it will be moving upward. So when it comes to daily chart, I was explaining this candle, which is of 5th June. So when I went to 5th June and 5th, 5th June, you can see that after such a uh, movement, like no movement for almost so much time, it gave you a little hint at the end of the day on 2nd Jan, means end of the week, and 5th Jan it has given a good candle by 9:15. So, and also when you see this, okay, resistance, it has closed above the resistance, so you can ride this till you find one good red candle. So after this red candle, you have to decide whether you want to continue this journey or you want to stop it here. If you are a fresher, please stop it here, because you don't have that experience, because this is a nature of the stock is, this stock is very volatile. This can move very fast up and also very fast down. So before entering any stock, it is important for you to understand the business of the stock and the nature of the stock. If you are experienced, yes, you can continue this one also, because this red is smaller than this green, and also it is like First time something has come up like jerk, and it is not bigger than the previous candle. So you can continue this journey. Then you can move up till here without any hesitation. Once the candle forms like this or like this, be conscious. And the worst case, you should exit here when you see such a big red candle. Otherwise, you will end up losing the market and you will be end in fear. See, this candle, when it comes like this, it may come till here or it may go down. We don't know where it will go. So as of now, if you are doing for short term, whenever, even whichever time frame it is, if you are doing it for swing, you can exit here. You can do, if you are doing it for intraday also, you can exit here. Is this clear till here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Huh. Okay. So this is about some fifth journey, correct? Now, if you see this, when the stock is in too much strong uptrend, never do shorting in that stock. Okay, unless you get experience. Never do stocking. See, this is very strong up move. Even if you see this big candle, you should not do shorting here, because anytime it may just form just big wick like this and start upward movement. Correct? So don't do this. See, you forget about this, okay, this layer, and club this one and this one. Anytime it may form this big wick and start upward movement, correct? Especially when the stock is in upward trend. So don't do that. When a stock has any strong upward trend, don't do that. Shorting. You have to do only intra. Okay? And now, what we will do? We will go to today's candle. Today's candle, or you want to discuss these three candles also, you will get an idea. Better we discuss. Okay, see, if you see this candles, everything is within a range, correct? So it is difficult. If you are starting, it is difficult to do this, means shorting or intraday in this kind of range. Then once, see, it has also another meaning. Okay, when this range it is moving, if it goes below this, that means the stock may go down. If it goes above this, that means the stock may go up. This is what you call a sideways move. It was in a sideways move. Okay, are you able to see my screen? This is a clear uptrend, but this is a sideways move. Are you clear? Any doubts still here?
It's clear, ma'am. No.
Yeah. So now I will remove this box, and I will tell you how I made this here also some money. Okay. Because the nature of this stock is like it is huge money. See, we may not get 124 rupees, but still we will have some good moves. Correct? See this. This is, this one is first move, 9:15. Correct? 9:15 on 6th January. So it has formed a nice doji. And if you go to same thing, see, this candle itself has a lot of money, correct? From 293 to 357, almost 100 rupees, more than 100 rupees money is there. So how to identify and how to do that? Sixth day. I will go to 5 minutes chat. Can you see this? Here, 9:15 was a big red candle. It has defined the range, correct? This one sometimes, right? Most of the times it is a range. But if you see the next 5 minutes candle, see, the body is bigger than this. And it was like a green and this one. Here it confirms that the trend may be up. See, here it is struggling a lot because here if you draw previous day line, once it closes above that, means the here, you can enter. Got it? When you are not able to make out with 15 minutes candle, you have to do cross check with 5 minutes candle, especially when it is volatile.
For first red candle, you will not consider that weak part.
This one, yes,
Yes.
you have to consider, but see this green, it is bigger than this red, only body.
Mhm.
Can you see that? And also, I
Yeah.
am asking you to enter, take the support race. Previously, where it struggled, here, right? So many candles.
But
There,
normally previous day will not consider for intraday.
no, nothing like that. See, to draw, to know where it was struggling. See, today it is struggling at one point, tomorrow also it will struggle at the same point. That will not change, right?
Right.
So, intraday you need not consider. Yesterday it is that I see if you want to take it at some this price, it may not work out because it will not come to that point. Correct? If you want to buy it at 3215 level on sixth this time, it is not. It may not be possible. But this thing, like where it struggled, the same that one you can consider. Okay. Means previous day where it struggled to cross, today also it will struggle to cross the same point. If it is crossing, that means it has high up move. Agree?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Also, if you see this is the cup. It is forming. It is like open box type. See this rectangle, open rectangle. It's trying to form that. When you are here, you may not be able to make out, but still it is like it has crossed means uh, closed above this line, and this is a plus. So obviously, there most of the time it will not form a like a big red candle after these things, very big red candle, something like this. Or once you got used to that, seeing that candles, you will understand it may not form such certain candles. Okay. So when you close above this, then you can enter, which is 3306 or 330. What is that? 33010. 3310. Okay. You see this 3310.
So
Uh,
we have to wait for closing, or we can.
closing. After closing only you can take. Don't take a
Okay.
in many changes happen in the if it is a 5 minute candle till 4 minute it will go in a one way and the last 1 minute will go in a different way. That you can feel. See this one
Right.
920. See this 925. How it was totally different. Here full move. This is totally different. Correct? Here you see 30, 35, 40. So last 5 minutes, right? In 50, if you are comparing it with 15 minutes, last 5 minutes will be different move. Got it?
Yeah.
See, this is 15 minutes candle. These three clubbed together will form a 15 minutes candle. Correct? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Correct? So this are different, and this one it will have a decision making. Like most of the time, it will decide the color of the stock in 15 minutes chart. Color or shape of that candle. This candle mostly will decide. Like this 1, 2, 3. This candle will decide. 1, 2, 3. This candle will decide. Something like that. I know this is little bit tough, maybe understanding, but you are getting it, or you want me to repeat?
No, that's fine, ma'am. You can continue.
Yeah. So now once this 1, 2, 3, and this has crossed. So if you are following 5-minute candle also, you will enter here only. Okay, enter here, and or here. This point, if it is closing above this, you can enter here. Then you can ride till you find a good red candle or a big doji. See, this one is somewhat danger for me. Okay. And after this, if I have to follow the 15-minute candle, where is this? 6, right? Go to 15. Huh. See, if you are following a 15-minute candle here, no problem, no problem, no problem. But here you have to see this one, it has crossed. Correct? This point. See, previous, if you refer, so what is the point is here it may struggle to cross. So if you have entered here, you should exit here. You should keep this as target and exit. Because we don't know whether if it will struggle, how much time it will struggle, or if it is shoot up, we don't know. Forget about the profits, but you have to think of exiting here, because we don't know how much far it will move. Either it should be a red candle, or it should be a resistance level. You should exit. Otherwise, you will end up in sideways or downways most of the time. Is this clear? See, for me, if I enter, even this is a green candle, I will exit here, because that resistance point has reached. So it may pull back to that point by the time I understand that, yes, this is the place where I have to exit. Got
Okay.
it?
So resistance we have to consider on this 15
Ah,
minutes chart.
resistance, volatile stocks, better you consider resistance, because there
Mhm.
will be so much sideways or downways. Okay.
Yeah.
So even if you see this, see, imagine this move, what it means to you from here to here. 60 rupees move. No, no, yeah, still bigger, I think. 1 minute. This point to, oh, that is too much. Not this one. Here, right?
Normally anything more than 1% is enough, right? For intraday.
Nothing like that, sir. I will go with the candles. If candles are forming good and if they are giving me 3-4%, why I should leave?
No, I mean ideally.
Yes, 2% is 2% or 1% in this stock also is makes a lot of money, sir. See, here we made 125 rupees, correct? Here. But here we are making only 70 or 80 rupees. I'm not, that is not some issue. Okay. 85 rupees, you think, roughly. Okay. So 85 rupees. So even if you do it in such means range also, you have a good benefit. Got it? Here you can write. Here you can write. And see this. Once these lines are drawn, see, this was a range. This was a range. And this is the next day. If you see 7th, correct? It is again making a U-turn. So it is in the range. So if you are not very clear, don't do it. Or if you cross check with 5 minutes and then do it. Now let us come to today's. Only today's. Today is this one, right? Like this one. Yeah. So let me take this. If you make it big, you will clearly understand what it means. See, from the beginning, we can make out that stock is not very decisive. I will remove this for your identity. See, this has formed a very big wick and small green candle, correct? And one red. So here we cannot make it with 15 minutes, correct? This is not clear indication. Actually, once big wick and red candle, it should move down, but it is moving up. So these things we cannot make it. Then what we can do is we can see whether we can do it with 5 minute candle. See, 5 minutes candle seem to be little bit clear. It has gone up till you see this amount, it has gone up 3469 means 100 rupees it has gone, and this is a very strong candle. So the chances are that it will move. I will remove the other two drawings and I will keep it. This is the, maybe this will be the place where the strength of the stock lies. Okay. First candle leaving the wick, this one. So this may move in this range. See, if it is going below this, it will go like anything. Got it?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So why you have to take this one? Because see this candle, when it moves, this is above this point, you have to take entry. Or closing of this candle, you have to make entry because you should wait till the candle closes. Correct? There is a wick. This is also a good signal. Means red in between wick with small thing and green is bigger than this one or equal size is also fine. So you can keep this as resistance and you can write this one candle. Just one candle. But if you see that amount is like again 400 to 41 rupees ride is there in this. Got it? In this just 5 minutes. So, but don't dare with very volatile stocks. I am just telling this for your understanding. Okay. But now, what one thing you need to observe is, see, this candle body is not equal to that. So there are high chances. See, first was this, second was this, then see, very big red candle has formed. So every time it is giving us a hiccup, means from morning it is giving up a hiccup. This is one big second intimation, third intimation, and then you see, even for shorting, you can enter here because see, red is bigger than this green, and these are all small, and this is confirmation that yes, this will go beyond because that is the, see, history, it is saying that if it goes below that, it will be weak. So you can ride it till this place, till this place. One, see, this is a bullet. You need not worry here because downward bullet. Generally, you can ride one, 15 minutes if you see. See, clearly it has told. Now, if you see this candle, 15 minutes, it has gone up, and see this one, it is half of it, correct? And this one, you see, this is, it is falling. So here you can travel this downtrend. Fine. Every time it is giving us a clue that, see this big wick, maybe there is a downward move. Even this body didn't cross this up. See, if this body is crossing this wick of first one, then the stock has strength. But it is very risky to play this. See, here it is having a lot of hiccups. So it came to next layer. See, again it moved down. So 3 layers it has formed. One is this, second one is this area. Next, slowly it has moved out. Got it? The moment it comes here, we are very much sure that it will go down, like very fast. See, that's where you should be very clear to do shorting or intraday. You should know the nature of the candle. This one, it says that it is struggling a lot to move up. This one, it is saying that it is not a good sign. This one, it is saying that though it is moving up with full force, it is not able to cross this resistance. This one, it is saying it is very difficult to cross this resistance. This one, it is saying still hard, but it is not crossing that resistance. But with this movement, 1 hour, from 1 hour, it is trying very tough to cross this resistance. So it is very, means it will definitely have a pullback. This is what these candles are trying to tell us. Is this clear? Any doubts still here?
No, ma'am. So basically, we can also trade based on first candle breakout, right?
Yeah, mostly first candle will come to know how the day will be. Any day you take, first candle, it will tell you how, to what extent it can go and to what extent there is chances that it can move down.
Okay.
From yesterday itself, I was having doubt that it will come back, because see, in the daily chat, even whatever the rules I tell you, it applies in the daily chat. See, I will remove this things now. If you see this, okay, got it? This is the first one. It has crossed. It has crossed a little, but it is not moving like this force. Okay, if it has stock or is about to move like anything, it will move. Forget about the amount involved, but I am telling the size of the candles. And also wicks are there. Here the wicks, which says that there may be some resistance. And also this may be due to, market these days not good, right? See, if market is good, it might have gone till here or here. We don't know. But we can't say if market is good, it might have gone up. I might have won, and I might have booked the profit. Means in that way, everybody will book the profit. You have to act based on what you are actually seeing. Got it? Not what it may happen. Our dreams will be good, but reality will be different, right? Based on the reality, I felt that it will pull back, and it pulled back 3298. That is why I was not doing then like long term, because every day I can't think like my money is there, 20% market is come down, market is crashed. That one, right? I can't bear. But looking at these candles, it is in my hand. I will decide on the support and resistance level, and I will exit or enter based on that. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
The moment it closes above this point, this point means 3480, you think, okay? The moment it closes 3480 above, there are chances that it may move up.
I think if we extend that line to left side, there is still a little bit resistance there also, right? Little bit up also. Yeah, till there.
Yeah. That's what I am saying. This one, yeah.
Right.
Okay. See, and one more thing. This is the place, right? Scope, you think. Maybe it will move in this range only. If it is moving near to this line, there are chances that it will go down. If it is moving near to these lines, means there are chances that it will move up. But if it is like more than 10 days, it is dragging near this place only, means more than, means some days, more time. If it is more candles are struggling to touch this, means that will come down.
Okay.
Most of
Okay.
the times, most of the times. See, this point it struggled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Correct? 6 days it struggled. It was struggling hard, so it came down. And again, this point 1, 2, 3, 4, it struggling to cross, but it didn't happen, so came down. Something like that.
Yeah, right. I think what you said, if it's crossing like in a force, it will go up. But
Correct.
it's already like 3, 4 days, it's struggling there. If we can,
No,
drag the chart left side, I think it has happened same thing previously also.
yes. And
Like
also
here,
see, here,
more left side, more left side.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Here I was saying like this one. Left side, left side.
yes, here,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. It will pull back and go up again. That's a different. But see, when this one, right, you can make out this is not even half of the candle, just to show you. Okay. As long as this candle, when big candle is there and these candles are struggling to come down below half, that means it will go up. That is another signal you need to make out.
Okay,
See,
before if there is no resistance, we can figure out this way also.
like this way also. And another one, you see, I will show you some examples like this. See, this candle also, it was struggling. Correct. Here, half, more than half or something like that. This
Mhm.
point, it never came down. Correct. So it will move up.
I was
Ah,
thinking it will form a similar pattern there, but I think it's a different story currently.
sorry.
I mean, the current day
Ah,
or this stock, I was thinking it will form a similar pattern.
okay, okay.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But it's different here.
Yeah, yes, yes. That is the way where we can find out that yes, there is something going on down. And also market is down today. So yeah, I told you, right? Like market is market king. So we should
Mhm.
not think that if it behaves like this, it might have been good, but we can't say that. Yeah.
Right.
So any other doubt? Like this is one stock which I wanted to say. See, every day you can make money with this stock. If this is a 15 minutes candle, you like if you are mastering, right, you can make money. I made money thrice in this stock today
Oh, okay, great.
with this move. See, I made money in this move, in this candle, one candle here, this candle,
Mhm.
and this candle. This another candle. Okay, 5 minute. Yeah, see this one. Okay. So these candles will tell me that yes, I'm going up, I'm going down. You can make money like that.
So normally during daytime, we'll try to do only one candle.
Sorry?
I mean, in during daytime, you will try only trading one candle itself, right? And booking the profits.
No, no, no. The based on the size of the candle. Okay.
Okay, okay.
If size, see, if you see this candle, see it has crossed all these resistances. Obviously, there will be a pullback, and I can't lose this profit to market, right? Because this is huge money, though it looks small. It moved from 332 to 386. 50, 60 rupees. It is there in that candle. I can't leave to the
Mm.
market. See this candle. Okay. The
Okay.
moment it crosses, one candle is enough. Because I know if it is struggling this much, it may not go up.
Okay. Okay.
See, that's where I'm saying when you are experienced, you will look at it differently. If you are not experienced, you exit here. Don't wait till here because you may not get the chance. You will think, "Ayo, I lost," because you will be in the sadness that you have lost this money, and you will not exit. By the time you decide, you will always be at the bottom, already at the bottom. And if you exit here, again the stock will be in a mood to move up. So you will be full day. You will be in thinking and depressing mood only. So don't do this. You are a happy path. Exit. Okay.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. Any other stock you tell me, I will tell you. Like, uh, see, if you see this today, can you see this? GRSE has given us the scope to do both up and downward journey. See, this candle, it is up only. Though this candle has formed wick bigger, okay? This next is also green only and it is like upward moving. This is 9:15 candle, so it may be volatile. So next candle 15 minutes also it is within this range. So most of the time what you can do is you can think if it is coming below this candle and it forming a red candle, I will exit. Otherwise, I will continue. And you can start, enter here. Okay. You can enter here and do this. And even this green candle, red candle is smaller than this. You can continue. But after this, you don't wait. Because even if it goes up, it will pull back to the same range. You see this? Even below that. So you don't wait till you another, because this is enough green, enough red to say that there will be a strong pullback, means downtrend. This is good one, good candle, right? It is not a small candle like this. It is not a small candle. It's big candle. So yeah. So and the moment you see this, you can also think that you can do a downward journey here. Means yeah, this candle is bigger than this, correct? And once you start sell here, you can that resistance level, see that points exactly it will touch. Once it start here, it will stop here only. See that? And even if there is a hitchkey, it will be something like this will come up also, no worry. Especially when it moved up and it is coming down. Got it? The moment you see this small candle, you should understand, yes, this is the resistance level, support level, and it may be a little bit hiccup. Pushback. So shorting, you can do only till here. See, 2 candles sufficient. 3 candles. That's more than enough. Means one big candle or 2 candles. Medium size. That it should be fine. Even I may not stay till here also. I may exit here only at the end of this. Okay. Downward journey. Because I want a happy path. I don't want any reversal or something like this. Because this week will give me something like a jerk. I am leaving my profits to this one. So what I will do is I will only do till here. Fine. Which is the stock which you want to see that how you can do shorting, whether it is fit for shorting or not. That we can discuss now. One stock I want to show you, another stock you can select of your choice.
Okay, okay. I think solar industry. Today it was there, I think, but I missed it.
Solar?
Solar industry, yeah, first one.
Okay. Oh, generally I will not take this, okay? But because see, for me, the stock should be below 3,000, 4,000. I don't know. I am not very, I have not tried with that bigger amounts, to be frank. But I will tell you with my candle logic. Okay? See, see is your 9:15 candle, correct?
Yeah, correct.
15 minutes chart. Now you remove this. See, there is a big wick.
Right.
Red, same as that stock we discussed till now. See, big wick, green, and this red one. It may not be that great to enter here. Okay. And one thing is, if you know the stock only, you enter, because fundamentals or earlier experience will give you some energy. Otherwise, you don't enter this when upward wick, downward wick, where you don't know whether this one is moving in this range.
Okay.
Okay.
So normally this resistance or support will draw at
Yeah.
body only, right? Or wig also will consider.
See, when there is wick is more, you draw that wick, consider that wicks also.
Okay.
Now you see here, this downward trend, it has confirmed here. See, this is resistance. So it is bouncing back from resistance. First point. Second point is it has crossed this point, this candle. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So even if you yeah, these 2 points you see, then you will know that fifth by 5 minutes candle you see, you will still better get a better understanding. Show this here. See, 9:15 full.
Some Devi ma'am is hand raising. She want to ask something.
Sorry.
Hello, Jabin madam. This is Devi here. I just wanted to ask a couple of questions, so I had raised my hand.
Okay.
So when you get time, of course, I'll ask questions.
Yes, yes. Okay. 1 minute. I was just telling him. See,
Sure,
with
sure, sure. Finished.
yeah. So with this, I was not okay, very clear with this journey. So what I did, once this closes below this, that means my entry will be here. I will allow this candle to close first. I will not enter while it is forming because it is not below this point, my point. Got it? Because it should
Yeah.
come below this green, which is here. So my entry will be here, which is at 13,504, which is this. And I will exit here because I can't ride beyond this. But that is my capacity. Otherwise, you can wait till one green at least is formed properly. This is the one. Even this is a jerk. You need not worry about this. See, if I am used to this, like if it is any GRSC, I will still ride this. And I will exit here. Because this is the first proper green candle it has formed. Correct? Enter
Correct.
here. Here is the confirmation, and I know that definitely the stock will go till here. Okay. And I will ride till one green candle forms. And if
Mm-hmm.
the size of the candles is like this only, see, suddenly it should not be like this sort of move should not come. Got it? How
Yeah.
you will
Good.
check out? Because with the size of the candles, slowly the moment you see it for some weeks or months, you will know that after this candle, this sort of candle, something will not form, something like that, you will come to know. That comes with experience only. So for me, I would write only till here. Though it has not crossed this, because my already I can't lose my profits from here to there, right? So I will write only till here. Though it comes back, though it is like fake, you know, grow, I will not take chance because it is already end of the day. It's already 2 o'clock here. Okay. From 2 o'clock, 2:30, it may direction may change, and also even if it comes, it may not come till here. So many things will be there. So I will exit here, my first green candle. Or I may end up here only. That is the best thing because this one solid green candle is fine, red candle is fine, right? Safe side.
Right.
So how much you gained then also, you can see that from here to here. Correct. 303 rupees. That is how we'll write it.
Okay.
The end point should be very clear. Why I will tell you, it should cross one good green candle and it should close also. You should enter only at the closure, not before that. Don't enter when it is forming. Even it has crossed this green, wait till this candle is fully formed. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
If this is done, somebody wants to ask me a question.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, somebody was asking me a question.
Yes, yes. It was me. My name is Devi.
Ah,
So quickly, I wanted to ask a couple of questions. One, do you have any methodology to select the stock? Because some of the stocks will give a good intraday momentum, right? Rather than just, see, for example, if I go with an ITC or IEX, they seldom move. They don't even move properly, correct? So
ah,
that might be the right stocks. Whereas even Reliance, for that matter, will normally give the good move of at least 15 to 20 points per day. It will move either way.
ah.
So, is there any methodology to select a stock? Was my first question.
So, first question I'll answer.
Sure.
See, I have already made one
Oh,
video.
good.
See,
Okay. Okay.
identifying and managing stocks, part 1, part 2, part 3.
Okay. I'll
Okay.
read through.
This one you read. Okay.
Mm, mm, mm,
And in short, for your
mm,
question, I will
mm.
tell you very roughly. Okay. I
Sure.
have prepared that index.
Mm,
Every day, one index.
yeah.
Means reality, FMC,
Mm, mm.
finance, all
Understand.
these
Yeah.
things. First,
Understand.
9:15 or 9:30, you go
Mm,
and see this change
mm,
percent. Then you
mm.
will know which is fast growing down and which is fast growing up.
Understood.
Want to
Mm,
do intraday, you go for with the positive ones. If you want to do shorting, you go with the
mm.
negative.
Get you. Okay.
That is first one. Imagine this one is for today, for example, what is moving reality or whatever capital markets. Capital markets is something like generic, so don't pick up that. Some particular industry, some maybe some auto, FMCG, something like that, consumption, some things like
Mm,
that. Okay, in this consumption, sector wise, I have prepared another list. See, this
okay.
has all
Mm,
auto stocks. This has all finance stocks. So in this, if you think that if I have to do it metal shorting,
mm,
open that metal percentage change, I will see this JSL and see
mm.
if it has gone correct. See,
Correct.
this is
Mm,
the
mm.
915 one, which shows that it is clear downtrend.
Understood. Understood. Okay.
Then see that this is not good green. No, no need to worry. Actually, you can enter here because it didn't cross this. So you can
Mm,
enter and you can have all this ride till you see a proper. See, you are entering here, right? Then you after this much red, it will not give a very big green. That much I am sure. So you can ride this down the line till whatever the point you want. This
understand. You
are
could have
not
entered in the second candle, right? Because it closed below the first candle. So in the morning,
ah
you could have entered since there is no green candle at all. I mean,
ah
I meant in the morning, first candle, the 9:15 candle.
okay. Yeah, you can enter here anywhere, but you also see that the entire thing is not going into one red candle and after that it is not sideways. Got it?
Mm,
You have to
mm,
be see if something like this is formed and everything after this in rise in this sideways, right? It will
mm,
be
mm.
a big pain for you. So
Correct.
how you will confirm that? Because next candle will form below that or below that something like that it will come or it will
Mm.
form a wick. Some patterns will be there which we need to get used to. Then
Oh,
you can write it. Don't see, you are already seeing which is already formed chat. So you will not be able to make out. You should observe this during the daytime when they are forming. And
mm.
you think, yeah, this is a green candle, it will form now. Your analysis and that candle formation, reality, when it matches, that time you are ready for doing shorting. Okay.
Okay.
Don't do it
So
with my experience or somebody's suggestions or somebody's because that will not work for you.
I get you. I understand.
I told
But
right.
so you don't have, I thought you will be having a select set of stocks because obviously you will be using it again and again. And so it's
Correct.
not like that.
No. I am using the same stocks again and again. But what
Oh,
I'm saying is you are not like very much comfortable with whatever I am doing. Okay.
mm, mm, mm,
See,
mm.
this is the stocks I have prepared. This
Okay.
is also something which I have, see, auto, finance. That is what I have keep the index there.
Oh,
If
okay.
I have to
So,
do
Is it possible to get this?
Somewhere in oil and petro, Chennai Petro, I will do. Okay, because I am used to that.
That's what I was asking. Okay, get you. So you
That's what
do.
I'm saying. That I know it. In NetWeb, I am studying it from 3-4 days. Today I know how to do it with it.
Mm,
GRS, I know how to handle it. So some stocks you should get used to, and I am telling the logic, candle logic, which is applicable across the stocks. It is not particular to any stock. If this candle is forming like this, that is the behavior of the candle, not of the stock.
Understood. Okay.
But do it whichever you are familiar and you know a little bit background. See, even if you have so many sectors, you will be familiar with only few stocks, right? That
Correct.
one
Correct.
you do.
Mm.
If you see that my study stocks, this one, Gold 5 Philip. If you see this, how nicely it has formed. This is the 15-minute candle, correct?
Mm.
And this wick. And this one, it is smaller than this green candle. And it is far away from that resistance. So you can enter here. Or you can wait for another candle to form. If we see, another green candle also can form here, right? Since it is
Correct.
already formed, we know that we have to enter here. But
Mm.
before that, we will not know. So this is the confirmation that this stock is not going to move up. Can you see this? It is
Correct.
almost
The
upper.
fourth, yeah.
And
The fourth candle, you can.
so what you can do is you can enter here, or even this is the best confirmation. This
Correct. The
round,
strong candle, right? Yeah.
not very familiar. You wait till this candle, but it will definitely go 2-3 candles down. See, here you can exit. Don't, this is all tough path. I will not like this. Only till here.
Mm.
2 candles is sufficient for me, or 3 candles max. Because after that, it will be like this. I don't like it.
Understood. Understood.
For me, it should be a like happy path. Even then, how much money is there in this? 93 to 21 rupees, something like that. Okay, 21 or 20. Yeah.
Okay, very good. So you always go with the equity, meaning cash segment, or you do F&O also with this?
Sorry,
You do futures or you do only cash?
I'm not understanding, sorry, but there is a
I'm
voice.
so sorry. I was saying, do you do options also in this, or is it only
No,
cash?
sir. Only intraday and only shorting, normal stocks, delivery.
Oh, okay, got it. All right. Thank you. That's what I wanted to say.
I'm not very fair. I don't know what was options and trade, because actually many people told me when you are so much well versed with these candles, you can do options better. But I don't know. I don't want to put my maybe after some time when I'm comfortable with all these things, I will try. But for now, I am not
Not to
ready.
worry, not to worry. I just wanted to check. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. I think we can. Yeah, pause the